Hello viewers, in today's class, let's learn how to solve this Olympiad exam question. The square root of 9 minus the square root of 8. Now let's solve this. If we want to solve this, you should know that 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8, right? And the square root of 9 is equal to 3, right? So if we simplify that, all these will be the under square root of 3 minus the square root of 4 multiplied by 2. So if we simplify that, we'll have the full square root of 3 subtract by minus the square root of 4 multiplied by the square root of 2, and this will give us the whole square root of 3 subtract from 2 root what? 2 root 2. So having arrived at that, I want you to recall an algebraic formula. In that algebraic formula, we're going to look at the reverse of that algebraic formula. In that algebraic formula, we'll have a minus b square. It is equal to a square minus 2ab and plus b square. Do you remember this algebraic formula? So using this and this, let's see how we can reduce this to this value. So how do we do that? We want to send this 3 minus 2 root 2 to have the same value. Now how do we do that? Remember that we'll have our 3 to be 3 is 2 plus 1, right? If 3 is 2 plus 1, we'll have minus 2 root 2, right? And 2 root 2 can also multiply by root 1 because root 1 is still 1, and 2 root 2 multiplied by 1 will still give us 2 root 2. So this will give us 2 minus 2 root 2 multiplied by root 1, and this will be plus 1. Now you will see that this value we've gotten, 2 minus 2 root 2 multiplied by root 1 plus 1 is still equal to the same value we've gotten here, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Why do we say that? Because you can see that a is equal to square root of 2, and our b is equal to root 1. So if you simplify this, you'll find out that if you insert this into this, you have this, and if you simplify this, we're going to go back to our initial value, which is this 2 root 2, right? So that shows us that this whole value, which is 2 minus 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 multiplied by root 1 plus 1 can be written as the square root of 2 minus the square root of 1, right? All squared, right? So we can write it in that format because this is equal to what? This. So if this becomes the output of that, now we can take this back to where it was before by putting the initial square root. Remember the general square root, we neglected the general square root. So the solution will be the whole square root of this minus the square root of 1 all square, right? So this can clear this whole square root, and then we'll have our root 2 minus root 1 to be the solution. Definitely root 2 minus root 1 is still equal to, we can have root 1 is still equal to 1. So our solution will be root 2 minus 1, and that will be the solution to that expression. So that whole expression will have, which is the square root of 9 minus 8 is equal to this expression. So that's square root of the square root of 9 minus the square root of 8 is equal to this expression. So I know you do learn from this solution. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe to our channel for more simplified Olympiad mathematics solutions. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.